Yo guys, today I will show you how to export video in Premiere Pro. You've completed your project and now it's time to export. So, go to File and scroll down to Export. Then click Media. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, hold Ctrl and press M. On Mac, hold Command and press M. Alright, in the Export menu, ensure the format is set to H264. This will save your file as MP4, a commonly used video format. For the preset, choose Match Source, Adaptive High Bitrate, to export your video with highest quality. Click on the blue file next to Output Name to specify the file name and locate on your hard drive. For improved video quality under Video section, check Render at Maximum Depth and make sure use Maximum Render Quality is also selected. Once you made this selection, click Export to save your new file. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.